part 4 of the crochet butterfly top. We left off making 4 double crochets in that space. So you're going to slip stitch in the second double crochet and the third double crochet and chain up 3. Insert a double crochet in that same spot and insert 2 double crochets in the next spot. Chain 2 and insert 2 double crochets in each spot. So you should have a total of 8 double crochets in this section. Chain 2 and insert 3 double crochets in that second spot. So you should have 3 double crochets in the middle of that section. Chain up 2 and insert 2 double crochets into each double crochet in this section. You should have a total of 6 double crochets. Chain 2 and insert 2 double crochets in the first spot and then another 2 in the next spot. Watch the next part.